Our vision at the warehouse is to make sustainable living easy and affordable for everyone.
I love the fact that that's our vision. I always think we can do more, we can do better.
The apparel category in mass retail, too much turnover, too much waste, impact on landfill, impact on emissions. So we need to change that quickly. It's a big deal. For a mass retailer to do that is difficult.
We've just got to do it. We've got to act quicker.
The way that we operated was in a very traditional retail environment.
A lot of pain points, miscommunication, misalignment, people working on different things.
We would do things physically on wall charts or whiteboards.
We'd all come together with our information, but then things wouldn't be right, so they'd have to take it away, do it again, and printing so many documents.
No retailer globally that we know of has moved to Agile at scale like we have.
Miro is a game changer.
It's massive for us.
The design thinking process has helped us really focus and start with the customer.
Design thinking is really the brain for our Agile delivery muscle. It helps put the customer at the centre of everything we do. The best example I've seen this in action is our Sustainability Festival of Learning. The whole business took a day out to stop and think about how we could make Kiwis' lives better through sustainable living.
We're all focused on brainstorming ideas of how we can bring that to life for our customers.
Miro really enabled us to scale design thinking at speed. It enables us to embed to a set of tools and templates that the squads can pick up and use in any given moment. What we see is squads working on their own, applying design thinking without any support. For example, Active Where Squad was able to apply design thinking principles to building a range that really solved problems for our customer.
The Better Products Initiative has been really important for us to get sustainable attributes and products in front of our customer. So we attribute it through having a sustainable fabric or a sustainable attribute attached to how that garment is made.
Miro played a really big part in that because in our head office alone we have over 1,000 employees and we needed to anchor the outcomes in a way that was transparent for everyone.
It broke down barriers and opened up conversations. Things that would take sometimes months to pull together, you could do in a couple of weeks.
I've seen an acceleration of sustainability delivery outcome every day since we started to implement Miro at scale. So I'm really grateful for that contribution to the mindset and culture of collaboration that we've developed. I thank Miro every single day.